Hello everyone, my name is Luna. I'm from Zhizhou Automobile Sales Company. This car is purchased by one of our customers from Azerbaijan. We have finished all the paperwork and it's ready to be shipped now. Look at this C11, the electric SUV from Leapmotor. Look at this beautiful color. Many colors available: black, white, this beautiful green, and we also have blue. Okay, the range can reach 650 kilometers. I think that's really amazing. Okay, come with me. Look at this flush door handle and the frameless window. Okay, to keep this car brand new, we choose to stand beside it, not to sit on the driving seat. Our company is Zhizhou Automobile Sales Company. We have almost every popular car in the market. So no matter what model you are looking for, please feel free to contact us. If you want to import cars from China, please leave me your comment or DM us. We have professional sales manager waiting for you.